Is there a direct correlation between day trading and being in shape? We're gonna answer that question right here in this video. Health, wealth, is there a correlation? Let's break it down. What's the biggest aspect of day trading? Think about it. Discipline, consistency, basically discipline is the number one thing that every single day trader has to work on. Even myself, when I first started day trading, I had no discipline. I had no idea what I was doing, right? I just kind of went all over the place, here and there, did this, did that. If discipline is the number one rule for day trading, how else can we practice discipline in life? What else takes discipline? Oh yeah, being healthy, being in shape. If I look back over the last 6 years of day trading and I think about where did my day trading improve? When did it improve? How did it improve? And what did I do to improve my day trading? Once I started focusing on my health, I saw a direct correlation with my wealth. In shape, you got healthy, and then all of a sudden you got wealthy. But really, if you think about it, going to the gym, becoming healthy, going on a diet, having self-control on what you eat, what you do, drinking, things like that, going out partying, prioritizing sleep, prioritizing being healthy has a direct effect on your overall confidence and abilities in life. Once I started focusing on being disciplined, going to the gym every day, going to bed at the right time, being disciplined, eating the right foods, I was able to use that same discipline and results that I was getting at the gym as an example for myself to know that, look, Patrick, you went to the gym for a year straight, you got in better shape. You ate better food, you felt better. You went to bed at the right time, you woke up and you feel better in the morning. So I know that if I do the right thing trading, if I'm disciplined, I follow the rules, I do what I need to do every single day, no matter what, if I have a red day or a green day, if I follow the plan and I go through it and I'm disciplined, I'm consistent, just like I am when I go to the gym, well, I'm gonna see the same results in my day trading as I would going to the gym and showing up every day, being consistent in the process. And it's easier said than done. You wake up in the morning and you're like, hey, I'm gonna do these things today. I wanna go to the gym, I'm gonna make money trading, but then you don't follow through, you don't go to the gym, you break the rules trading, and by the end of the day, you're sitting there and you're like, man, like I did everything wrong today. And that just comes from not having discipline. Having the discipline to follow the rules when you know that the rules are there for a purpose, a reason. How many times have you broken a rule when you're day trading? You don't get stopped out, you don't follow the plan, you do something wrong. How many times have you done that and then an hour later you think about it like, man, like if I would have just followed my rules, if I would have just followed the plan, I would at least have gotten out for a smaller loss, or maybe I would have gotten out and then had another opportunity to get long and make money. But instead, not having that discipline, you end up doing the wrong thing, you end up hurting yourself in the long run. The same idea as not going to the gym, right? Not going to the gym every day like I want to will have negative effects on the performance and the goals that I have health-wise and fitness-wise, because I know that if I don't go to the gym every single day, at the end of the week, I'm gonna be like, man, like I'm bummed out, I'm pissed off because I wasn't disciplined. I didn't follow the plan. The plan is to go to the gym, to do the work. The plan is to wake up in the morning, to trade, to make money. If I don't follow the plan, I'm not consistent, I'm not disciplined, well, I'm never gonna get the results that I want. I'm never gonna hit the goals that I want. Now, those results won't be instant by any means. The same way that day trading, you don't get instant results. It takes time. It takes a overall consistent goal. If you open up a day trading account and you want to get rich overnight, you want to get rich in your first week of trading, what's going to happen? You're going to end up blowing up. You're going to end up losing money. The same way that if you go to the gym and you try to work out one day, you're not going to get any results. Discipline needs to be something that you have in every aspect of your life. If it's relationships, it's money management, it's overall going to work every day, going to the gym, eating right, whatever it is, you have to have discipline across all aspects of your life. And you can't just expect to only have discipline in one area, being day trading. If you're not disciplined in the other ways, if you stay out and you party all night long and you do drugs and you drink and you go crazy every night, how do you ever expect to be consistent with day trading when you're overall just up and down? You have to be consistent in life to become consistent as a day trader. If you're having problem finding consistency as a day trader, look outside of day trading. Look at the rest of your life. Are you having problems at work? Are you having problems with your girlfriend? Are you having problems with your eating, your health, your ability to go to bed at the right time, to wake up feeling rested and ready to trade? Are there other outside issues that are affecting your day trading? Think about that. Like, really kind of sit back right now and think about what other outside activities are affecting your day trading performance. I mean, it's simple. Just literally think about it. It's funny because I can look back at all the problems that I had with my day trading, 3 or 4 years ago, and I can think about all the problems that I had outside of my day trading. I had problems with drinking, going out partying all the time. I didn't go to sleep at the right time. I wasn't physically fit. I had issues emotionally. I just wasn't in a good spot emotionally, physically, mentally. I wasn't in a good spot. So why did I think that I could go and perform day trading when the rest of my life was falling apart? Like, how did I think that I could ever overcome all of the issues that I had outside to overcome those and just magically be this disciplined, amazing day trader when the rest of my life was in total shambles? So it comes down to owning it, to looking outside of your day trading world and thinking, what can you do to be more consistent outside of day trading? I'm telling you right now, if you find consistency through the rest of your life, it'll be that much easier to find consistency as a day trader. You simply just can't do everything crazy in the rest of your life and then magically be an amazingly consistent, disciplined day trader. It just won't work. As humans, all of these outside issues that we have emotionally are always going to affect us. When we're in a trade and we're like, hey, I'm not gonna get stopped out, I'm gonna be greedy, or whatever it is, like when I'm holding a big loser, there's probably some type of emotional attachment to the idea like, hey, I can't afford to lose $1,000 because I can't pay my rent, because I go out and party and I'm already owing money, I'm in debt, whatever problems there are, those problems are affecting your day trading. Now, I'm not gonna sit here and tell you that it's gonna be simply just going out and getting in shape and your day trading is gonna get better. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna start building up consistency in your life. And then you're gonna see like, hey, I'm okay to take a red day. I'm okay to lose money because I know that the process of day trading requires me to sometimes lose money. We go into every single trade understanding one simple premise, that there's a risk and there's a reward. But if you can't understand that you have to be consistent in taking losers as much as taking winners and being able to apply that in every aspect of your life, well, you're never gonna be a successful day trader. So I'm telling you right now, if you really want to reach the level of consistency and you wanna get more discipline as a day trader, you're lacking discipline as a day trader, look outside of your day trading world. Look outside your computer. Remove yourself from just the day trading world and think about where else could you be more disciplined in life? If it's the health, if it's the relationship, if it's work, whatever it is, address all of those issues and you'll see a major difference in your day trading. I'm telling you right now, I saw a drastic difference the moment that I started taking responsibility for my life, the moment that I chose to be responsible, to be consistent, to be disciplined. That's when I saw a drastic change in my day trading. Constantly fighting discipline, consistency, that's one of your biggest issues with day trading. Focus on applying discipline and consistency throughout your whole life. It's the little winners, the same way that the small profits add up. Being consistent with day trading, going to the gym, every day, going to the gym for an hour. Just start going. Maybe you don't have a lot of time, maybe you're working, you got family, kids, whatever it is, but there's little things that you can do every day. Maybe don't eat the Twinkie. Maybe don't drink 20 beers. Maybe only drink 2 beers. There's little things that you can do that start to make a drastic change in time. The same way that if we make $100 every day day trading for 2 or 3 months straight, it's gonna really add up quickly and you're gonna look back and like, wow, I made $100 every day. That's amazing. It might not seem like a huge deal at the time. Not every day you're like, oh, it's $100. But in 3 or 4 months, when you have $6,000, $7,000, instead of losing all that money and being consistent, you're gonna see a major change in your day trading, my friends. So look for consistency outside of day trading, address your discipline in every aspect of your life, and you're gonna see a drastic change in your day trading.